Hello everyone, I'm going to do a Dutch pour today, and I'm going to do, I'm going to use my pouring medium today, which is the Owatrol. It's the Floetrol that we get in the UK. So I'm going to do that, and I've mixed it in my handy dandy little bottles, and I've mixed that. I put it on my scales, zeroed it, and put 160 grams of the Owatrol in there, and then zeroed it again and put 60 grams of water, and that's an 8-ounce bottle, and it just fills it nicely. So they're the bottles I've been using. I'll have a link to those in the description below because they're just the perfect size. These ones I've got the little measurements on as well. So perfect size for using with these paint pours, and I use them all the time. So that's my pouring medium. Now I mixed my paint. First of all, let me show you my colours because I have got some gorgeous colours today. I'm only working on a little canvas. It's only an 8 by 8 inch. And my colours are Arteza. I just love Arteza paints. They're so highly pigmented and they're just beautiful. They have some beautiful colours. This is Pearl Glacier Blue. And look how gorgeous that is. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? And so you can also see my thickness there. So what I did was put some paint in here. I put about 10 grams of paint in this pot and then just mixed it with the Owatrol and water mix until it was the right consistency and colour, and it just leaves a little tiny heap and disappears, which is difficult to see on this pearl paint because obviously it's got the pearlescent effect around the heap as well. So that's my first colour, Pearl Glacier Blue. And then I've got Pearl Rose, also Arteza. And that's that one. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colours. And this one, well, it's absolutely stunning. Pearl Sapphire Blue, Arteza. And just take a look at this beautiful, beautiful paint. How gorgeous is that? I could just dive straight into that. Well, probably won't do me any good, but I just love that paint. It's beautiful, isn't it? And then I'm using a silver, which is the DecoArt Extreem Sheen Stirling Silver. And that's that one. And then my white, I've just mixed the same with the Owatrol and water mix. This is just to cover my canvas. And I use the Pebeo Vivid White for that. So I thought I would do the Dutch pour, but with the bloom technique as well. So I've mixed some, now this is the other Floetrol. This is the Australian Flood Floetrol. Oh, now, for those of you that are interested in this Flood Floetrol, I bought this one off eBay. I'm in the UK, so we have to buy it in from Australia. So and I bought this one, and this one was about £25, just under £25, I think. No customs to pay on it at all. So that was including the delivery and the Flood Floetrol. That's 500 mils. Now I've just ordered, well, not just ordered, it was about, I don't know, 2.5 weeks ago, something like that. This took 9 days to get here. But I've just ordered some, no, I ordered it 2.5 weeks ago-ish, 3 litres of it. And it was about £90, a heck of a lot of money. But you do only use a little bit of it, so it will last me ages. Now, the cost of that £90 to buy it and have it delivered. And then today I've got the, and I did know I'd be paying customs duty on that. I didn't pay any on this little one, but I did know that I would be paying it on the bigger quantity, the 3 litre. And the customs thing came today, which I've paid, and it was £19.13. So that's on top of the £90. Just for those that are interested, because I know those of you that are in the UK or Europe, we have to buy it in from Australia if we want to use it. Not everybody does, and that's absolutely fine. Oh, now what I mixed this is my Amsterdam Titanium White, which is this one. And I mixed it with a few drops of the Liquitex ink, the Titanium White, and the Floetrol, just so I get a nice runny mixture. So that's that. So that's all my mixtures done. I think I've explained everything. So I'm just going to cover my canvas. So that's my canvas covered. Now I'm going to just start layering some paints. I just wanted to mention these gloves because these are a little bit more expensive than the little thin gloves like these ones that I've got. I've got these, and these are brilliant, but these are just one wear and chuck them away because they just tear. They are good, they've got the purpose, but these ones, these are the nitrile gloves, and I just think it's well worth spending a little bit extra money to get these gloves because they're so strong and they very, very rarely tear and they last ages. And I wash them. I just chuck them in a bowl of water when I've finished and then give them a rinse at the end, inside and out, and then I can use them again. So I just thought I'd mention that. Well worth buying these nitrile gloves. Like I say, they're a little bit more expensive, but well worth paying out that little bit of extra. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to put a little bit across the centre, diagonal. Beautiful light blue, and our pink. And then the silver. No, actually, I'll do the silver. I was going to change it to the dark blue then, but I'm going to put the dark blue on the top. And we'll put our dark blue. That's so gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that, isn't it just beautiful? So there's all our colours on. There's quite a lot of colour on there. She says as she adds some more. And then what I'm going to do, oh, not that pot, this pot. This is my Floetrol mix. I'm just going to put, I'll give it a quick torch first. And then I'm just going to put this across the centre. I don't need too much of that on. Then I'm going to just use my handy dandy little blower that I've been using. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you'll have seen me using this before. And it's the world's smallest blower, but it's just fab. looks really quite pretty, doesn't it? Now, what I like to do when I've done that, oh, I've lost my turkey baster. There it is, a little old turkey baster. And then I like to just come in and just blow these edges out a bit more. So excuse my head getting in the way. Squeaky turkey baster. That looks really rather pretty, doesn't it? I'm not trying to cover the canvas. I want the negative space keeping there. I'm just trying to feather these edges out. I don't like the hard edges, so that's what I'm trying to get rid of. That looks pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There. And I think that's done. I love it. I think it looks really rather pretty. What do you think? I'm going to take my gloves off, give it a quick torch. See the lovely lacing from the cell activator, the Floetrol and the Floetrol Amsterdam titanium white and the Liquitex ink. Just gives a really nice delicate effect. Didn't want too much of it, didn't want it all over, which is why I didn't put loads of it on. But I think that looks really rather lovely. I'll bring it down for a close-up. So here's the close-up of it. Oh, I've got my light on. I'm just going to turn my other light off a minute. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. So, a lovely lacing. How beautiful is that? Just looks so delicate, and those cells. I think there's more cells developing actually. Look at that gorgeous dark blue. That is just so pretty. So I think that's really rather lovely. You see those cells are still developing. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the little bell notification so you get notified when I bring out new videos. And I've joined Twitter, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm still very new to it, so if you're on Twitter, please come and say hi and follow me on Twitter, because it would be nice to get some more followers. I haven't got many on there yet, but I guess it takes time, doesn't it? Oh, look at those cells coming. Doesn't it that look pretty? So there's the whole picture. I just think that looks so flipping pretty. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.